Welcome to room 1008 here at the Four Seasons, Fort Lauderdale.
A little bit of conversation, a little bit of relaxation. Across the sea, city to city, compare with me. Tell me when you're ready, ready to leave. With my cruising family, across the skies and sea. Come and par with me, yeah. What you waiting for? Just step out that door and explore. Are you ready to par with me and this cruising family? My cruising family.
There's an entire hallway as you enter. Look at this. There's an entire bar welcoming you in. I've been here for a few minutes and I hadn't even gone into the closet yet because there's so much more to see in this room. Excuse the camera blur. This camera's getting real blurry again. There's an iron. I don't yet see the ironing board, but that would indicate there's an ironing board. And there is a safe. Shoe bags for polished shoes. Slippers and shoe horns. Wow. In the other closet, we find the ironing board and then satin-lined hangers. Drawer space and a luggage rack. Of course, you see there's a top shelf here, just like in the other closet. Well, they're not skimping on the space. Here is the bathroom. This is my first look at the bathroom. I've been here for a few minutes, but I did not come into the bathroom. There's a cute little bench, nice little nook right at the entryway to the bathroom. Here we have the shower. Shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel, all available. Washcloth, of course. There's the rain shower head. Right next to the shower is the toilet. There's a separate door here that can be closed off. Now making our way out of the bathroom into the main room, the bedroom. See, there's a television right in the middle of the two beds here. There's a little ledge with shelving. Four Seasons magazine available for your reading pleasure. The drawers here are so sleek, it looks like it's just a part of the shelving. Reva, who gave us an orientation to the room, said that this is a phone charger. Okay, this phone charger is charging, as you can see. It's charging my phone. Here we have a little welcome note. A little faux pas, as you can see. They call me Mr. Peta-Gaye, and I'm clearly not a Mr. But they assumed Peta-Gaye, I guess, was my last name since it's hyphenated. But we walked in and saw this aquapana water, fruit, and the Prosecco we got at check-in. So I still gotta finish that up. So let's make this room tour quick. Here's another book under here, and then the paperwork I received for booking with my Amex. Here's a television remote, telephone, notepad, and pen. I love the clean lines and the sleek look of the furniture here. And our beds, of course. This is a great way to start my experience with the Four Seasons. This is my very first time staying at one. Now to the balcony. When we open this door, we need to be mindful to close it right back, because Reva, again, who did our orientation, not tour, but an orientation to the room, told us that if you keep the door open, it shuts the AC off in the room. And we are in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, so we do need some AC, okay? All right, so as you can see, there's seating out here. And also, look at that. Gorgeous view of the beach. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. We're right across from the Conrad. And there's our view. So this is the Four Seasons Fort Lauderdale. Would you book a stay here at the Four Seasons Fort Lauderdale in room 1008? Let us know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching.
What you waited for? Just step out that door.